So we got one of a 2016 Chevy. This is one of Weldtech's first builds. So Rick's been having a lot of fun with it, and one of the ball joints looks like it sheared off. Take a look at this. So it's sheared off right from the middle, and right now we're trying to figure out how we're gonna pull this thing off and just put it back together. So they sent them some replacement ones, and this is how they look. And we just got the rotor off, the caliper off, and now it's time to put it back together. So it looks like we got some work to do. We still got to remove the drive shafts there before we can get the next one, the next joint in there, because we don't have enough space to drive it in. But it's coming.
And this is just the 12-volt one.
Yeah.
There's an 8. He's all in my glove.
Answer.
Bad.
No. So we just took the entire thing apart, trying to get to those joints. I guess it's now gotten to be a little bit bigger of a job. Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
That's